Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about maintenance mode and how to activate it in your Android device. Maintenance mode creates a separate restricted user account on your phone while it's being repaired. This way, technicians can test and fix your device without snooping through your personal data, photos, applications, passwords, messages, bank accounts, and so on. Everything stays locked down safely and securely. Right now, maintenance mode is only available on select Samsung Galaxy phones and a handful of other devices. So if you don't see it on your phone, don't worry, it's likely not supported yet. So I'm going to show you how to enable this feature. It's very easy. So I'm using a Samsung phone. Open settings, go to settings, scroll down and look for battery and device care. In battery and device care, go to maintenance mode, this feature here, and just turn it on. Turn it on, put a check mark and just press restart. My phone is switching now to maintenance mode and it's gonna take 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait. So as you can see here, I see maintenance mode. My phone now is on the maintenance mode. Even the wallpaper changed on my device. So now if you go to pictures, you will not see any pictures in your device because everything is now hidden. All your personal data, accounts, passwords, pictures, videos, everything is now hidden in your device. Play Store is not even connected. If you go to contacts, no contacts at all. So once the repair shop has repaired your device and once you get it back, you just go back to settings and switch back to your normal screen. That's what I'm going to show you right now. So you just swipe down. You will see your phone is in maintenance mode. Press that and just press exit. Restart. Enter your PIN number or your password if you have one. Your device will restart and now it's gonna switch back. So I'm gonna enter my PIN number. So I have just disabled the maintenance mode. So if you go to Play Store, as you can see here, I have access to my account. I have access to my photos, my videos, my accounts, everything is there. If your phone does not support maintenance mode, the next best way to protect your personal data is to back everything up to an external drive or cloud storage. Then perform a factory reset to completely erase your personal information before sending it in for repair. I hope this video helped you understand how maintenance mode works and give you some useful tips to protect your personal data when sending your device in for repair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy phone tips, and let me know in the comments if you have used this feature before. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.